welcome back. So I'm going to do this perm rod set that y'all all voted on Instagram. I'm going to insert a picture here or here, wherever, of how it looked when I first did it. So I wanted to actually use this month as a month to only use black owned hair products. So I started off my wash day with a clarifying shampoo, and it's by Eaton Body Works, the natural shampoo peppermint tea tree. It does cleanse and clarify. So this is what I started off with. Y'all, my hair felt so clean after using this. When I say clean, like clean. It didn't feel stripped, which is important. So instead of it feeling stripped, it just felt very clean, like I could start on clean hair, basically. And I went in with my favorite deep conditioner. Y'all already know. Y'all already know what it is. Yes, okay. And then after I rinsed that out, I followed up with the Mielle White Peony leave-in conditioner. Yeah. All right. So that's everything that I use to prep my hair. Now, what I'm going to be using for this styling is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Curl Defining Mousse, and it says withhold. So we're gonna see how much this thing got, how much hold this thing got. I hope they ain't lying. It does say texture mousse for type 4 hair. Now, Mielle ain't let me down yet with any of their products, so we'll see. But this is what it looks like. And if it's that pomegranate and honey line, so I already know it smells amazing. And my perm rods that I'm going to be using are these, which I think I got these from beauty supply store, not really sure. But I can try to find some that are similar and link them down in the description bar, along with everything else that I use here. Of course, I need my DENMAN brush, which is also going to be linked down in the description bar. And that's it. Alright, so like I said, I'm starting on freshly washed hair. Not towel dried. I just used a t-shirt to kind of blot some of that moisture out. This is what it's looking like just with that leave-in on. So my first section, let's see. I think that's a good size. What y'all think? We'll see. We'll figure that thing out, y'all. Figure that thing on out. Clip that out the way. Alright. So we'll start with just maybe one pump. And yes, it smells amazing. And we are going to Okay. This might work out just fine, honey. Okay. Y'all see how it weighs it down? That's a good sign. Alright. Like I said, and like I said before, even in the wash and go, even with this, don't forget your roots, okay?
Listen to me.
Get them roots now. Get them roots. Alright. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your perm rod and you're gonna start from this side, the bottom, with the actual little clip on there. You're gonna take the bottom of your hair, make sure it's smooth on there, and you're gonna roll over that a few times, just ensuring that it's smooth. Pull this other little short piece here. Alright. I struggle with this piece because I got short pieces of hair in the back of my head, y'all. Alright. So now, when it's secure, you're gonna do this little motion right here. Alright, and you're going to secure it. Just like that. Alright, y'all. We're gonna move on. Moving on, moving on. And we're gonna split this one in half, y'all. Cause that's too much here. Split that in half. Let's pin this up. Out the way. I may not even need any water. Alright. I'm gonna smooth that on up. Get your roots and your ends. Roots and ends important. There we go. Make sure that it's fully detangled. Okay, so this, I guess she'll give you a better idea right here because this hair is easier. So like I said, we're gonna take our perm rod and we're just gonna make sure that end is super smooth. Smooth. And we are gonna go over that a few times to secure the end. Y'all see that? Okay. Now, what we wanna do, after the end is secure, and only after the end is secured, we are going to hold this, come around, all right, and we're gonna take this, your what's this thing called? Y'all know, just the clamp, whatever. Y'all know what I mean, child. And you're going to put it on the part where it's coming over. So you don't want to go on that side because it's not going to secure and hold it. You want to come over here and clip it. There. All right. That's what they're looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off camera. And I will be back once I have them all on my head. So I'll show y'all what they look like before I go sit under the dryer. All right, be back. All right, y'all, so we on the last one. Didn't really take that long either, like maybe an hour to put all of these in. All right. Just show y'all one more time. The technique. Oh shit. Okay. All right. That's cool. And secure. All right. So here we are. Looking like somebody grandma, y'all. Child, I had to go get my roller set for my Easter Sunday. All right, let me go sit under the dryer for maybe an hour and a half. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I'll let y'all know how long it's gonna take to dry. It shouldn't, because I don't have a lot of heavy products on my hair, so it shouldn't take a long time.